By the way, for you guys who don't follow me on Instagram, I did announce a couple days ago that I will be doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers. And I left some instructions on Instagram, but a lot of you guys aren't following it. I ask you guys to subscribe and leave a comment on what videos you want to see this year. Some of you guys did it, some of you guys just subscribed and didn't leave a comment. Make sure you do both, and be sure to turn on the notification button as well. If you aren't following us on Instagram, check us out. I'm going to leave it here. As always, fake it till you make it. God bless. Peace. Hey guys, we're back in the garage with another video. Last week I showed you guys how we decluttered the garage by taking some stuff off the sides of the garage just to make more space. And we're going to pick up today right where we left off. I've decided that that table should be against that wall because it's taking up space here on the side. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the stuff off the table, put it against that wall, and find a way to maybe relocate this outlet if the table is going to block it, or maybe cut a hole in the table to expose it. So we'll figure it out once we have the table in its spot. But until then, let's get to work. Alright, so that's with the table in place. Look how much space that cleared up. Just imagine all that clutter gone. I had to cut a hole here just to expose that that outlet. Next is get rid of this mirror and throw on pegboards, which I picked up. They're right there. Alright, so we got one up. Looks perfect. Now let's work on the other one. But yeah, like it lines up with the light and everything. Looks nice. I just wish I didn't drop it. Would have looked a lot better without this corner looking all ratchet. But I guess I could do is get a washer here, and I'll cover that up a little bit with like some white paint or whatever. But other than that, looks sweet. Alright guys, second one is up as well. So that's the two of them side by side. Yeah, it would have been a lot easier with two people. I kept banging up the edges of the pegboards, but all in all, that doesn't look too bad. Alright guys, here's the deal. I was going to add more outlets this weekend. However, it's too cold and too dark in the garage. And basically, I just ended up thinking that I should probably just do that in the spring when it's warmer out. And I can use lighting from outside to light the garage as I'm doing this. Because obviously, with the power off, I don't have a heater and I don't have lighting. It's just a miserable job to do in the cold. But basically, I pulled this out and saw what we're working with. I know exactly what I have to do. I did end up replacing this receptacle though, because this is old and you know, it's really loose. Everything that I plug into this old one, it was easily unhooked because of how loose these terminals were. So I ended up basically replacing it with a new one, which is, as you can see, a lot better. Doesn't pull out as easy. So I guess the job that we accomplished for this weekend was the pegboards. I'm going to end up cleaning up and show you guys the end result.